Today we're going to be doing a dump cobbler. You can use any kind of canned fruit, pie filling. I've never done pumpkin, but I'm sure you could do it. But today we're going to make a cherry dump cobbler. I have a 21 ounce can of cherry pie filling. Any kind of yellow cake mix, does not matter. And then a stick of butter. Real simple. Oh, and of course, this is a Dutch oven that does not have legs. It's easier to get in and out of the oven. Alright. Are you ready? Okay. So, there's no mixing required. Do not mix anything. I'm going to go like this. First thing you do is open your can, which I cheated. Got the kind where the top pops. Ooh. Don't make a mess. Set that in there. Try to make sure you get all the good stuff out. Alrighty. And then I'm just going to set that there. I am going to spread the cherries around towards the bottom. You do not need to grease the pan. Otherwise it might not cook right. Okay, my cherries look like they're all pretty well spread out. Oops. And then, yes, I'm a messy cook, guys. Paper towels are always nice to have. So, let me get all that off. And while you're doing this, you should preheat your oven to 350, which mine is already preheating. My handy scissors, because I don't want to wear the cake mix. What you're going to do is you're going to very lightly spread it all around, covering the cherries, and you will use the whole cake mix. Right now I'm just trying to make sure it's all covered. Okay, now I try to even that out. Okay, oops. Now your butter is just for the top. It helps brown it or make it golden brown. And you don't want it too thick. You just want them enough to, I don't know if you can zoom in, but just about yay thick. Not too thick. And I'm going to put it, well, that one I stayed on the knife too long. You just flip it. I usually try to do a circle. Yes, it's messy, but I cannot hold it in the paper wrap and do this. Okay. Flatten it out in a minute. And my hands are warming up the butter. Okay. kind of spread it out. That way the butter kind of melts. Because that's what's going to give you that golden brown look with the yellow cake mix is your butter. Alright. And that's almost a whole stick of butter. So you can call it a 3-ingredient dump cobbler. Alright, I gotta get the butter off my hands. Okay. There we go. Hands are butter free. I'm going to put my lid on. Because you bake it with the lid. Then throw it in your oven till golden brown. Usually it depends on your oven, your altitude. On average, maybe 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay. Ooh, buddy, is that hot? Alright, and she's in. Temperature is at 350. And that's all there is to it. Now the oven does the dirty work. It does the cooking. And hopefully in 35 minutes we have a yummy cobbler. In 25 minutes, I'm going to check it just to see how it's looking, because this is an RV oven, and it might be done, it might not be. Phew. All right. I'm trying not to burn myself. Alrighty, there it comes out. Let me shut that so I don't get a facial. And we're going. Oh, look at it. It's starting to cook, guys and gals. Maybe 10 more minutes more and it will be done. That's 25 minutes in the baking at 350 in my Dutch oven. Okay, I'm going to put it back in. Okay, back in it goes. I'll set my timer for 10 minutes and I'll check it again. Alright, it's been another 10 minutes. I'm going to check it and see if it's done. Tell you what, that's hot. Alright, let's see. Ooh, I don't know. I think I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer because it still looks like, see how it looks a little doughy yet? So a few more minutes and then it'll be done, because I don't want mine like doughy looking. I know I'm picky. Alright, so let's put her back in. Phew, I'm getting a facial. Okay, 10 more minutes. Okay, we're going to check it again and try not to get burnt. Alrighty. Oops, that's hot. Okay, I'm going to shut this again. Take that off. Alright. That is done. Look at that. I'm going to let it cool and then I'm going to serve it. And I'm also going to shut the oven off. Yummy. In the tummy. Are you ready for some cherry cobbler? Let's see. Oh yeah. There we go. Look at that. Oop. Give Roy an extra here. Here. Ready to munch. There he is, a man in his dessert.
Mm-hmm.
So, does it pass the inspection?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
As you can see, he's speechless, so
Mm-hmm.
must be good.
Mm-hmm. Mm.